So you get so I'm gonna tell you. I think so. Also, one I can see. So you can so I'm gonna tell you. I think so. Also, one I can see. Mason, oi! Don't! Don't! Sorry, Coast. My Coast.
Okay.
I'm sorry about that. Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Can I get the number 7 big box?
What for your 2 sides today?
Potatoes and gravy. Well, actually, 1 potato and gravy, 1 mac and cheese.
Okay, original or crispy chicken?
Original.
White or dark?
White.
I'm sorry, you said mashed potatoes and gravy and...
Mac and cheese.
Okay, what's a drink for you today?
Pepsi.
Pepsi? Did you want to go large in addition size? Make your Pepsi large for $2.99 today?
No, thank you.
All right, any cakes or pie poppers for dessert?
No, thanks.
And does that complete
So you
your
get so
It does.
I
think so.
What's one I can see.
biscuit and a medium Pepsi is going to be $12.29 after window, please.
Fine combo, fine job. Fun. Good. Do not. So I'm gonna tell you.
Hi, hon. I do apologize. My biscuits are going to be a wait. Would you take a cornbread
Don't
instead?
pause.
How much of a wait?
Like 16 minutes.
That's a wait.
I can get a piece of chicken for you. Extra side. A couple of pie poppers.
Cornbread's okay.
Cornbread's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. There's that for you. There's your card for you. Thank you so much. You're all set, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too, thanks.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go to the Great Wall.